Today I'm going to demonstrate one way to get rid of your squeaky door. What's going on? Welcome to today's video. My name is Colton and today I'm going to be demonstrating one way that you can get rid of your squeaky door. So this demonstration is actually showing the typical door that you see in a lot of the homes nowadays, but if it's an older style, it may not be exactly the same. And a lot of the times people think, just go get WD-40 and spray the hinge. What you want in order for a more permanent fix is you actually need some grease on the pin of the door, and I go over that in a little bit. All these tools that I use for this project will be down below in the description, and the total time that it took me to make my door no longer squeaky was probably about 5 minutes. So let's get started. If your door sounds like this, I just grab my nail setter, put it at the bottom of the pin, and lightly tap it with a hammer. When you do this, you may get some dust or metal debris on your finger or on the floor, so be prepared to clean it up. After you break the pin completely loose, pull out the pin. You may have to wiggle a little bit because it might be tight. I grabbed my liquid wrench grease, gave a little bit of a squirt on there, smeared it around, go put it back in the door, tap it down with a hammer, swing that door open and close a little bit to move that grease around, and now you're done. Thank you so much for checking out today's video. If you liked what you just watched, consider subscribing and also hit that like button down below. And also if you want to see other how-to videos that I've completed in the past, go ahead and click this link right up here. If you want links to the products that I use in this video, you can also find those down below in the description. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.